Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this vlog, I will be showing to you how to join Syndicate on crypto.com. So first is you need to open your app and then go to accounts. Then under accounts, go to exchange. Then under exchange, you have to scroll down and look for transfer fund to exchange. Then you have to select crypto.com coin, and then you have to put the amount that you want to put on the syndicate. Click deposit. Alright, so once the transfer is done, so you can double check here if the fund was transferred already. Alright, so open your browser and go to crypto.com. Then click on the menu tab and then click on exchange. Under exchange, on the upper right corner, click login. So you have to put your credentials. Alright, so once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on the menu tab, and then go directly to the syndicate. Under the syndicate, you'll see here the ongoing sales and the previous sales. So go to Bitcoin, which is under syndicate right now. Click on subscribe now. Then you will be redirected to a page, so you just need to put the CRO that you want to allocate. You have to check on the agreement and then review subscription. Then you just click on confirm to subscribe. So you can see here the timeline. You were able to subscribe on the syndicate. So now let's go ahead and check if it's successful. So go to your balance and click on CRO. So under CRO, you will see there the in order. So that is the amount of CRO that you just allocated for the syndicate.
The next day.
Alright, so yesterday we were able to allocate some CRO for the syndicate. So now I was able to receive an email from crypto.com asking me to accept the final allocation for the BTC syndicate. So now you have to scroll down on that email and look for the button review BTC final allocation. You can also click the link that is given if the button isn't working.
2 seconds later.
Okay, so you will be redirected to crypto.com exchange website, where you can see here a landing page for the BTC final allocation. So you just have to click on I understand for the agreement and then click on the accept. On this page also, you will see here the total CRO that you were able to allocate and the final allocation that will be given to you. So here's a screenshot of the BTC final allocation that I was able to gain for the syndicate. Since it is oversubscribed, I'll have some CRO refunded back to my exchange account. However, it will be refunded back to my wallet next day. Alright, so that's it. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates.